How to turn on direct message notifications on TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and when your TikTok it's open, you go to the bottom and click on profile. Then when you open your profile, go to the top of the screen and click on this three line here. Then go to settings and privacy, and then go to notifications, and you will find message, direct message. Now you have to turn on this option by clicking here like this and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.